So it's time when OnePlus is preparing for the launch of OnePlus 8 series to make waves in the global smartphone market. Obviously, it's how they put a stable and solid offering on the table every time the company introduces a new product that has gone through a tunnel of changes over the predecessor model. This is that one single strategy that keeps OnePlus going and growing all around the globe. It's no surprise why tech enthusiasts put their trust into this company, and maybe that's the reason why these reports from some of the famous tech websites have a good word about OnePlus phones and TVs. Now, without wasting any more time, let's talk about the much anticipated OnePlus 8 series. First things first, the event is going to unfold on 14th of April, so we are pretty close to the in-hand experience of OnePlus 8 series, and we're gonna learn more details about it on 23rd this month. So as soon as I get that, I'll put it in the description box down below. Also, history is gonna repeat itself, as OnePlus was known for their flagship budget offering, and in the past couple of years they've kind of become a premium brand. But for hardcore Android fans, I have some good news. This time OnePlus is going to introduce not one, not two, but three different models for the 8 series. The lower cost OnePlus 8 model would be called OnePlus 8 Lite, and then the newer but regular OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. The feature that differentiates these three phones from the same line are all about screen, camera, battery, and most importantly processor. OnePlus for the very first time will use a MediaTek processor for the 8 Lite just to keep the cost low. However, the other two higher models will run on the mighty Snapdragon 865 processor. The battery capacity on these phones look like this, and about the screen, we know how big the display is gonna be and what the firm is actually doing with them. According to a very reliable information, the OnePlus 8 Pro would be the only one out of these three models to offer 120Hz refresh rate, while the other two models will give you a 90Hz experience. Unlike the 8 and 8 Pro, OnePlus 8 Lite will have a flat display, but all three models will use an optical in-display fingerprint scanner. The higher refresh rate on the OnePlus 8 Pro is also because of the custom MEMC chip that allows the device to create additional frames to feed a higher frame rate for an original 30 FPS or 60 FPS video. We do have a short video teaser that kind of shows us what this chip is actually capable of on the OnePlus 8 Pro. These types of chips are used on higher-end TVs to enhance the video quality by bumping up the frame rates, and the Chinese manufacturer has it for their premium phone. Even Samsung Galaxy S20 with 120Hz refresh rate does not have the MEMC chip, so I think OnePlus has a great advantage of just enhancing the video quality and UI performance. Other specs include 12 gigs of RAM for the higher variant and 8 gigs for the lower one. The camera configuration has also gotten up with a 64, 20 and 12 megapixels and also an additional time of flight sensor. The front camera now sits in the top left corner of the display as a punch hole tag, and rumors believe that it's gonna be a 32 megapixel sensor. We all know how this device is gonna look like, so I'm not gonna waste your time here. But let's just talk about the newest change to OnePlus series. It's about the wireless charge that hasn't ever been a part of OnePlus mobile offering. The officials on this phone believed that even 10-watt fast wireless charging is too slow for a phone to just have it. They were comparing it with the wired fast charging warp charge that OnePlus's current phones offer. And it's actually awesome because they just didn't release a statement but have the guts to hold on to that. According to the latest information, OnePlus 8 Pro, and yeah, only the Pro model, will have 30 watt of wireless charging capabilities, which is exactly the same as their 30 watt of wired warp charging. It's just a big surprise because companies like Xiaomi has it as well, but they are yet to release a real world phone featuring that crazy tech. OnePlus on the other hand is ready with it, and not just that, they are going to offer 30 watt reverse wireless charging with the 8 Pro. Again, the fastest reverse wireless charging speed on the market right now is Xiaomi's 10 watt solution offered on the Mi 10. Big step, but let's just wait for it. Be safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.